What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope y'all had a good day today. Hope you're having a good evening. Um, Hopefully, you guys traded live with me. Pretty easy. We went in um, calls here and closed. I don't know exactly where on Spy, but or maybe it was here. Wait, what? Yeah, sorry. We got in here and closed at previous day value area high. Sorry. Um, Let me delete this stuff really quick. I apologize. I'm live so late. I was gonna go live, and then saw that Shorty was going live. I was gonna go live at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, and then saw that Shorty was going live at 9:30 or at 9 p.m. Eastern, and I knew I wouldn't have time to finish up. Um, Wait, what did I do? Deleted the previous day value high. Interesting. Um, so then my plan was to just record Shorty's video really quick and then go live. Um, but then Shorty was having like computer problems. It looks like he has, I don't know, malware, virus, something. Um, and so I had to help him fix his computer. So then I couldn't even go live for you guys. Uh, Looks like I have 0 viewers, which is awesome. So I'm wasting my time here because I don't trade Spy. Um, all right. Daily levels. Um, oh, wait, I'm on 5 minutes. Derp. Daily levels. Okay. We have a spike at the bottom. Um, they are probably going to take this lower. That's what they're trying to do right now. Um, I have my trading software open because I might be hopping in a trade any second now. Short. Mm. Sorry, this is kind of right where I want to get in if we lose this. Um, I'll show you guys in a second, but yeah, the plan is to short. Um, this is our spike right at the end of the day, and we're below it. Um, but there's a massive node here that they need to get through to go lower. Ideally, the entry would have been up here, but I didn't have confidence. We need to lose 54, or sorry, 55, and then I'll get more confident. Um, anyway, let me just keep charting. I'm going to keep watching that because I really might be hopping into a trade any second now. And I'll show you guys a couple of things, including why I want to get in if we lose this 55 level. I'm a little bit worried I'm going to miss the trade, but then again, it's also just not the end of the world. There's always another trade. Wanted to go live for you really quick. Post levels. Shorty messed up my entire night. All right. Right now, things are looking pretty sketch. What we would want to see based on where we are right now is this. You have to be aware of these single prints. They could bounce here. Okay. We would also be interested in opening here below retest puts. All right. This. Okay. This is primarily what I'm going to be interested in, but you guys know the plays. Break above a level, 3 5-minute candles, retest. Grab calls, break below a level, 3 5-minute candles, retest. Grab puts. Might have a trend day down tomorrow. Could bounce a previous week very high, absolutely. But I think we're going to have a trend day down tomorrow. Hey, what's up, Triple G? All right. Let's look at our Fear and Greed. We should be in greed, I would think, or extremely far end of neutral. Wow. Shocking. Okay. Calendar. I know we have some stuff going on tomorrow. Unemployment claims an hour before the open, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else that we have to be worried about. So to kind of quickly show you guys a couple of things. Let me see the best way to do this. Does anybody remember the levels I was watching from the live today? There was 2 key levels I was watching. Curious if anybody remembers. If you did trade live with me today, you are happy, or you should be happy. If you listened, you're happy. Happy birthday, Triple G. Should I DM you a picture of my butthole? Nobody remembers? First level we were watching was 78. Second level we were watching was 58. The only thing that I could say I'm disappointed about is in the overnight session. I think I just saw like a mosquito flying by my eye. It's weird. In the overnight session, they came inside of this high volume node, right? So during the live session, I was expecting them to do similar or possibly slice it. So I was waiting for more of a confirmation before I hopped into the trade. they did not give me the confirmation I was looking for. We came down to the level, like to the T. This is 30-minute candles, so it's kind of hard to see, but came to the level. I didn't get in because I was looking for them to dip inside or possibly lose it. They bounced. And then I saw a lot of order flow coming in around 80, 81. So I ended up hopping in here, called out, grab longs, grab calls. And the plan was to close at 91, which is right here where you can see another massive amount of order flow came in. And that happened pretty quick. We were in and out. And then as soon as it tapped 91, literally dumped all the way back down to our entry and then rocket. I didn't play any of the rest of that. I took my one trade for the day and called it a day. Made good money on that one. Or I think I took 2 trades today. Yeah, I think. I can't remember, honestly. Pretty sure I took 2 trades, actually. So that's the power of these high volume nodes. The second area that we were watching was 58 to 55, which is key. That's what we're talking about right now, right? So right at the end of the close, they came down and they bounced at 58. They created a spike here. Losing 55 is important because we have this massive high volume node here. Bears have to get through this to go lower. Otherwise, this is a major spot where we could possibly get a bounce. Very good chance I'm going to be hopping in short kind of any second now. If you wanted to play this safe, if you do trade futures, what you're actually looking for is for them to break below, retest, and then get in. But I'm kind of trying to watch everything and see if I just want to hop in. If I do get in, I'm going to be targeting 69.40. So anyway, the 2 levels that we were watching for today played out really nicely. Somebody was asking, what were they asking? They were asking about getting in calls up here, and I was like, if anything puts, I didn't call it out though, but it would have been nice if I did. We're still bouncing here, so I got to let them do their thing. But yeah, I'll potentially be getting into that trade. Let me go ahead and post a screenshot for people in the mentorship group. Pretty good chance that I'll be live tomorrow. Shorty's Discord, pretty good chance I'll be live tomorrow. Everybody else sucks to be you. And sorry for being so late tonight. Completely out of my hands. I told you guys I had a bunch of stuff I had to do. And, oh, I have good news to share with you guys. Really good news. Basically, I was waiting till the end of the video to cover this, but sorry, I'm going to switch to this screen so that I can watch this closely. If you guys have questions, let me know. But I'm just going to chit chat. Done with the charting and levels part of this video. If you're not interested in my personal stuff, then you can dip. And thanks for joining us. So the whole dog thing in Reno, Nevada, with the broken back window, whatever, blah, 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 blah. My attorney, I don't understand how this affects anything, but he said he wanted to push for to go to trial, which he felt like would put pressure on the district attorney. My attorney knew, like, my main thing was there's a chance that, like if I have any kind of a conviction on this, um, it could go against me, as far as like I could lose my license for my career. So that was my big concern. I'm like, dude, I'll fucking pay to fix this guy's window. Like, I don't care. I just don't want this on my record. And so I don't feel like I was in the wrong, but also it's just not worth risking my livelihood over the cost of repairing a window, right? So that's really what my attorney pushed for, was to just have me pay the cost of the window. And the DA agreed. I have to pay $320.29. I mailed off a cashier's check today. And then the I have to do a 16-hour anger management course, which is gonna suck. But whatever. Like, it is what it is. I think that part's pretty ridiculous. I don't have an anger issue. Just don't lock your fucking car or your dog in the car, and we'll be good. Um, yeah, I don't understand the anger management part because, like, again, you guys, if you've been around for a while, you saw the video. The guy walked right past me. Like, I didn't do anything physical to him. I didn't approach him. I stood in one spot and I talked, and that's all I did. I didn't, reach out for him. I didn't strike him. But anyway, I'm not going to complain. I'm going to do the frickin' 16-hour course, pay for the window, and I'm going to go on with my life, is what's going to happen. I'm about to click short. I just want to see them go a little bit lower here. All right, I'm in. Stop loss. Dude, don't bounce back up right now. Are you serious? They're like, yeah, short the bottom, Drew. Well, first take profit. I want 40. All right. Done. I don't even want to watch this. Let me get this crap off my screen. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Easier to show what we did, the trade we took on this screen. This is that big high volume node that was created. Came to it here. Bounced, closed, immediately dumped back to here, and then went again. I think I called this out short as well. I did. So I said this was a good area to be in puts or to be short, but we had the news coming in, the JOLTS job openings, and so I was trying to wait for that. And, so I took that trade. I took 3 trades today. First trade was a loser. I don't remember what I did. I tried to short, I guess. Anyway, I don't remember what my first trade was. My second trade, I got in short on this sell-off. Unfortunately, I trailed my stop loss, and I got stopped out, and then it did the full move. I was looking for 58, and we literally tapped 58 to a T. I'm sorry, 78, and we literally tapped 78 to a T. Here I was looking to reverse long, which we did, and close at the previous day value high, which we barely tapped, and then dump back down to here. And then at that point I was done. I took 3 trades. Not my proudest moment as far as trading is concerned. Um, this month has been hard for me. I don't know why, but this is my month. Like I took two losses. My first two trades of the year were losses. My third trade was a loss, and these are pretty significant losses, right? And then today I took three trades, two wins, one loss, and made almost 7%. So I'm still red on the month. Not a big deal, though. We'll get it back. So yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, good. Keep going lower. All right, doesn't look like anybody has any questions. I don't have anything else to cover. I hope everybody's doing well. Triple G, I'll DM you in a second. And then I gotta go feed my dogs. I feel like there's something else I need to do. I don't know what it is. But my whole night's kind of a jumbled mess right now. Anyway, as always, much love, much respect. Everybody wish Triple G a happy birthday. What the fuck? That said, peace out, y'all. Have a good night. Much love. Bye.